Hello dear students, welcome to accountancy class. I am Anand Gori, PGT Commerce. Today we are going to learn how to solve profit and loss appropriation account. As you know, in previous video we have already learned how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and what is meant by profit and loss appropriation accounts. What is profit and loss appropriation accounts? Profit and loss appropriation account is nothing but what? It is the extension of profit and loss account. It means after profit and loss account, you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account at the time of preparing partnership business as well as company business. So what it contains? It contains partners, interest on capital, commission of the partner, general reserve, profit, distribution of profit, interest on drawings. So such adjustment you have to adjust in profit and loss appropriation accounts. So it is nothing but it's a profit and loss account. It is extension of profit and loss account, and it is prepared by partnership firms and companies. And what is the format of profit and loss appropriation account? As you know, we have already learned in previous video. So credit side you have to take what? By a profit and loss account, that is net profit you have to brought down. Next, by interest on drawing you have to record, and debit side to profit and loss account, to interest on capital, to partner salary, to partner's commission. So let us solve one problem on profit and loss appropriation accounts. So what is the problem? Let's see. If you go to the page number 102 NCERT textbook, numerical question 5. So what is the problem? Rakhi and Sika are partners in a firm with capital of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. The profit of the firm for the year ended 2014-15 rupees 23,200. This is the profit of the business, and Rakhi and Sika are the partners. As per the partnership agreement, they share the profit in their capital ratio. So ratio is not given. Whatever profit of the business they are going to share in the capital ratio, means how much they are going to invest. So Rakhi investing rupees 2 lakh and Sika investing rupees 3 lakh. So on that capital ratio, you have to distribute the profit of the business according to the partnership agreement. After allowing salary rupees 5,000 per month to Sika. So Sika has taking salary rupees 5,000 per month, and you have to pay the salary to Sika for year. So this is monthly salary for Sika, that is 5,000 rupees. And interest on capital of the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital rate is given, that is 10% per annum. During the year, Rakhi withdraw rupees 7,000 and Sika rupees 10,000 rupees for their personal use. So this is personal use, means what? They are withdrawing some amount from the business for their personal use. It is nothing but what? It is drawing. Drawing is given. You are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. You have to prepare two accounts in this problem, that is profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So let us solve how to solve this. As you know, we have already learned how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see once again. Profit and loss appropriation account, credit side you have to take what? By profit and loss account, that is net profit of the business. By interest on drawing you have to record the credit side. Next, debit side you have to record what? Profit and loss account if there is a loss. To interest on capital, partners interest on capital you have to record in debit side. To partner salary, if salary is given in the problem, to record the salary in debit side. If partner commission is there, you have to record in commission on the debit side. And finally, you have to total this and you have to find profit or loss of the business, and this profit or loss you have to distribute among the partners, whole partners. So let us solve one by one. Profit and loss appropriation accounts. There are two sides, debit side and credit side. First column, particulars amount. So let us go through the problem. Rakhi and Sika are partners, and their capital is what? 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So this capital should not record in profit and loss appropriation account. The profit for the year ended 2014-15 is rupees 23,200. This is profit of the business is given. So this profit you have to record in profit and loss appropriation account. Which side? Credit side. Let us see this format, according to the format. profit and loss account. If there is a profit, that is net profit brought down. So you have to record this profit and loss account in credit side, that is by net profit brought down. You can write, so what is the profit? 23,200 rupees. This is the profit. As per the partnership agreement, they share the profit of the business as per the capital ratio. So capital, on capital, you have to calculate the capital ratio. That is whatever profit of the business they are going to share in their capital ratio. Let us we calculate the capital ratio afterwards. After allowing salary of rupees 5,000 per month to Shika, Shika has to pay rupees 5,000 per month salary. That is nothing but what? Partner salary is given. So partner salary, what to record where? Let's see here. Partner salary. Partner salary, which side? Debit side. So let us write here to Shika's salary. So what is Shika's salary? 5,000 per month is there, but we are going to prepare this account at the end of the years. It means you have to calculate the salary for 12 months. So 5,000 into 12 is equal to 12 5 is 60,000 rupees. Okay, next, and interest on capital at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital is given. So this interest on capital you have to record where? Let's see. Interest on capital, where? Interest on drawing here, and here will be interest on capital. The second entry, see, interest on capital of the partners. You have to record debit side. So right here to interest on capital of the partners. First partner, who is the first partner? Raki. Second partner Shika. So right here Raki. What is the capital of Raki? Rupees 2 lakh rupees. Into how much percentage? 10%. If you calculate this, you will get 20,000 rupees. What about Shika? Shika's capital, rupees 3 lakh into 10% is equal to 30,000 rupees. Interest on capital adjusted. Raki 2 lakh into 10% 20,000. Shika 3 lakh into 10% 30,000 rupees. So next is what? Raki withdraw rupees 7,000 and Shika withdraw rupees 10,000 for their personal use. This is nothing but a drawing. But according to the format, we should not record drawing of the partners in profit and loss appropriation account. Only you have to record interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is not given in this problem. Only drawing is given. So this drawing you should not record in profit and loss appropriation accounts. So such a drawing you have to record in partners capital account. That is the next account. So anything is there? Any commission of the partner, loss in general ledger? There is nothing. So you have to close this account. So let's see here, debit side total and credit side total. So debit side total is more than the credit side. Obviously this is what only one entry, that is 23,200. Here 60,000, 20,000, 30,000 rupees is equal to total 60 plus 20, 80,000, 80,000 plus 30,000 is equal to 1,10,000 rupees. So you have to write this amount on the both the side, that is 1,10,000 rupees, 1,10,000 rupees. So this 1,10,000 rupees minus 23,200 rupees. Let's see, 1,10,000 rupees minus 23,200 rupees. 0 0, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 4 6, 11 minus 3 8, sorry 6, and here it will be 8. What is? So let us solve this. 1,10,000 minus 23,200 rupees. 1,10,000 rupees minus 23,200 rupees. 0 0, 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 4 6, 11 minus 3 8, 86,800 rupees. So this 86,800 rupees you have to write here, 86,800 rupees. So now you have to distribute this loss This loss is recorded in what which side? Credit side, because credit side total is less than the debit side. You will get loss here. You got loss here. So this lot you have to distribute among the partners. So right here, this in this what's the entry by partners capital account, you have to transfer this. So you have to distribute this loss among the partner in the ratio. Who is first partner? Rakhi and Sika. So these 86,800 rupees you have to distribute among the old partners in their ratio, but ratio is not given. They are telling that, they saying that you have to distribute the profit or loss in a, you have to use what? Capital ratio. So what is the capital given in the problems? So Rakhi's capital is what? 2 lakh rupees, and Sika's capital is 3 lakh rupees. According to the capital, you have to calculate the ratio. So if you cut this 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, what remains? 2 and 3. So this is nothing but what? Ratio of partners according to the capital. So Rakhi investing business rupees 2 lakh and Sika going to invest in the business 3 lakh rupees. It means ratio of between the two parties what? 2:3 is nothing but what? 2/5 and 3/5. Out of 5 shares, 2 shares is Rakhi, and out of 5 Sika share will be 3. That is 2:3. That is 2:3 means 2/5 and 3/5. So you have to distribute this loss among the partners in their ratio only, capital ratio. So let us distribute this. 86,800 rupees into 2/5 and 86,800 rupees into 3/5. So 5 ones are 3 remains, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35, 1 5 3s are 15, 3 5 6 are 0, 2 0 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 1 plus 3, 34,720 rupees to whom? Rakhi. And here 5 ones are same, here will be 17,360 rupees. So 17,360 rupees into 3, 30, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 52,080. So this amount you have to write here, that is 34,720 rupees and 52,080 rupees. How got this amount? We have distributed this loss among the partners in their 2:3 ratio according to the capital ratio, and this balance you have to transfer to partners capital account. So next you have to prepare partners capital account. So partners capital account you have to prepare at the time of preparation of fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. In previous video we have already learned how to prepare partners capital account under two methods, that is fixed capital method and fluctuating capital methods. So how to prepare partners capital account, fluctuating capital methods or fixed capital method, let's see here. So I discussed in the last previous video. So this is partners capital accounts. So this is by balance brought down, we have to take the credit balance. Interest on capital you have to write on credit side. Salary of the partner you have to write on the credit side. By commission account, by profit loss appropriation account if there is a profit. And here to balance brought down, there is a debit balance you have to record. To drawing you have to record in debit side. To interest on drawing you have to record in debit side. And to profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account if there is share of loss. So in such a way you have to prepare the partners capital accounts. Let us prepare partners capital accounts, debit side and credit side particulars. You have to write here, mention the partners name, Rakhi and Sika are two partners. Particulars, Rakhi and Sika are two partners. So first of all, according to the format, you have to take here buy balance brought down, credit side entry, buy balance brought down. This buy balance brought down is entry is nothing but what? Capital beginning itself. Capital, opening capital of the partners. What is the opening capital of the partner? Let's see. Raki and Sika are invest in the business 2 lakh rupees and 3 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh for Raki's and Sika's 3 lakh rupees. You have to write here 2 lakh for Raki, 3 lakh for Sika. Next, interest on capital you have to record. Let's see. Second entry, interest on capital. So right here interest on capital here by interest on capital. Already we have calculated interest on capital. If you go through the profit and loss of profession accounts, Raki's rupees 20,000 and Sika rupees 30,000 rupees. Right here 20,000 for Raki and Sika rupees 30,000 rupees. Next, if there is salary of the partner, you have to record in credit side. See, let's see here. By salary account. By salary. Whose salary is there? Let's see here. Sika's salary. How much? Yearly 60,000 rupees. Only you have to record in Sika's column. Here will be dash. 60,000 rupees. Next, if there is a commission, you have to record in credit side. If there is no commission. Next, if there is a profit and loss appropriation account, share of profit is there. But in this problem, we got loss. So we should not record this profit here. So let us come debit side. Debit side you have to record what here. To drawing you have to write, right? According to the format, let's see here. Drawing. So drawing of the partners. What is the drawing of the partner? Raki withdraw rupees 10,000 and Raki withdraw rupees 7,000 and Sika rupees 10,000. So Raki's column you have to write here 7,000 rupees and here 10,000 rupees. Again, next interest on drawing. If there is an interest on drawing, you have to record on debit side. If there is no interest on drawing, but here in this problem you got loss. So this loss you have to record in debit side. That is to profit and loss appropriation account. That is what share of loss of the partners. So what is the loss we got? 86,800 and we distribute among the partners. That is Raki and Sika. 34,720 for Raki and 52,080 rupees for Sika. So right here 34,720 rupees and 52,080 rupees for Sika. So is there anything here? No, it is only capital of the partner, salary of the partner, interest on capital were recorded. Finally, we have to record the debit side and credit side total. So let us total of the credit side first. Yeah, 3 lakh, 2 lakh means obviously credit side total is more. 3 lakh plus 30,000 plus 60,000, 3 lakh 90,000 rupees. Here 2 lakh plus 20,000, 2 lakh 20,000 rupees. So this amount, which side column is more? This total you have to write on the both side. So here will be 3 lakh 93,000 and here will be 2 lakh 20,000 rupees. So from this amount you have to deduct this 7,000 and 30,720 rupees. So this balance is called as true balance carried on. So first of all, total this first 7,000 plus 34,720 rupees. Let us total plus 7,000 rupees plus 34,720 rupees. 0, 2, 7, 7, 4, 11, 3 plus 1, 41,720 rupees. So these 41,720 rupees you have to deduct from 2,20,000 rupees. So 2,20,000 rupees minus 41,720 rupees. 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 8, 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 12 minus 5, 7, 1,78,280 rupees. How much? 1,78,280 rupees. So this is a closing balance of Raki. What about Sika? Sika 10,000 rupees plus 52,080 rupees. Let's solve first. 10,000 plus 50,080 rupees. 0, 8, 0, 2, 5, 6, 62,080 rupees. You have to deduct from this amount. Which amount? 3,90,000 rupees. So 3,90,000 rupees minus 62,080 rupees. Wait, let's see here. 3,90,000 minus 62,080 rupees. 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 10 minus 1, 9, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 7, 2 and here 3,27,920 rupees. This is difference. So this you have to write on debit side. Here 3,27,920 rupees. So this is called as what? Closing balance of the partners. We got the closing balance here, and here we got loss, that is 34,720 rupees and 2,080 rupees. This is 86,800 rupees. Total of both the sides what? 1,10,000 rupees. So this is profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. The question number 5, page number 102, NCERT textbook. I hope you understood. Thank you.